now.
Wait, she's gotta get down on the ground first.
How many more times? Oh.
We should have started counting a while ago.
Oh, maybe like 10. About. Oh, are we done?
Nope.
No. My arms are getting so funny. That's it, that's 11. Apparently it's fun.
You don't need weights, you just need a baby.
Yes, that's what I have to do with the babies. They thought it was fun.
Oh, she caught you.
I guess we're done? No. She's like,
Oh no. You gonna help her up? She lives in her skirt. She's coming to get you.
This ought to be interesting.
She wants you to do it sitting down.
Pull me up. Ready? And up. Whee!